This will destroy other motorhomes. Mercedes and Hymer just built a motorhome that could outshine every RV on the planet. A machine so advanced, it redefines luxury, power, and off-grid living. But here's the shocking part. This isn't just another overpriced camper. It's a game changer. Stick around till the end, because we're revealing some insane features you won't believe exist in a motorhome. The 2026 Mercedes Hymer Venture S 4x4 is a head-turner, blending rugged off-road capability with sleek modern design. Built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, it features a reinforced body, high ground clearance, and all-terrain tires. The aerodynamic silhouette reduces drag, while the bold Hymer branding and LED lighting give it a futuristic look. The pop-up roof expands living space, and the integrated awning ensures shade wherever you park. Step inside, and you're greeted by a premium, modular interior designed for comfort and functionality. The Venture S boasts a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, fridge, and smart storage solutions. The lounge area converts into a spacious bed, and the bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and vanity. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and large windows create a luxurious yet homely vibe. Under the hood, this beast packs a turbocharged 3.0-liter diesel engine, producing around 240 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4x4, it tackles rough terrain effortlessly. The adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising on the highway. Top speed is electronically limited to 100 miles per hour, but the real magic lies in its off-road prowess. The Hymer Venture S is built for off-grid adventures, featuring a massive lithium-ion battery bank and solar panels on the roof. It supports fast charging via shore power or regenerative braking, and the energy management system optimizes usage. You can run appliances, heating, and even air conditioning without needing a hookup for days. Mercedes' latest tech suite is on board, including a digital cockpit, touchscreen infotainment with navigation, and smartphone integration. Advanced safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make driving this massive rig a breeze. There's even an optional night vision system for off-road adventures in low light. Expect the 2026 Mercedes Hymer Venture S 4x4 motorhome to start around $250,000, with fully loaded versions crossing $300,000. Pre-orders are expected to open late 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. Now here's what nobody's talking about. This motorhome has a secret wilderness mode. When activated, it maximizes energy efficiency, locks suspension for extreme terrain, and even deploys drone scouting for campsite selection. Yes, you heard that right, a built-in drone. If that doesn't convince you this is the future of RVs, nothing will. So, would you take the Hymer Venture S on a worldwide adventure? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more jaw-dropping vehicle breakdowns. See you in the next one.